I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Rabobank account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Rabobank app. Launch the Rabobank mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, look for the account settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the account settings, find and select the option labeled Add Credit Card. This will take you to the credit card entry form. Step 4. Enter your card details. Fill in the required fields with your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as errors can cause issues. A common mistake is entering the wrong expiration date, which can prevent the card from being added successfully. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything for accuracy and then hit the confirm button to save your new credit card. You should receive a confirmation message once it's added. Now you're all set to use your credit card with Rabobank. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help.